Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about instrumenting your applications with the X-Ray SDK. So if you don't remember, X-Ray is a service which allows you to trace how long various parts of your application are taking. So out the box, you get default integration with AWS calls. So you will, when you're using X-Ray with your application, be able to see, for example, how long it took to get a file from an S3 bucket, or how long it took to retrieve an item from an SQS queue. The SDK X-Ray instrumentation is available for most programming languages. We've got a variety shown there: Python, JavaScript, .NET. There are also a number of third-party integrations for languages like C++ as well. So almost every programming language you can think of is catered for here. Your X-Ray integration can run under any AWS service or even outside AWS. So you might be running under Lambda, you might be running in a container on ECS or EKS, run on EC2, or as I say, even on premises. So how would you use this? So you might, for example, want to know why a particular operation is slow. And what you can do is you can instrument particular parts of your code base. So here we've got an example, and we're creating what's called a subsegment. So we know that we have a segment. This is a particular call. So someone calls in, let's say, fetch users. And we can add these annotations. So we can say, oh, okay, here's where we started fetching the user. This is the user we fetched, and here's how long it took. And X-Ray will give us this nice little visualization of how long it took. We can see here it was 28 milliseconds in total. How long the subsegment took. So there was a 8 millisecond segment that took part of that login time, and we can see which user was actually retrieved. So this can be really useful when you're trying to speed up your application, find out where latency is and what you can do to improve your app. Here are some notes for you. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.